This is a one-pan beef stew. So the ingredients are 0.5 kilograms beef of any cut, 2 pieces bay leaf, 3 tablespoons pickle relish, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 3 tablespoons olives, any olives will do, half a cup of olives brine, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 small can of mushroom sliced, 4 pieces of cut fried potatoes, 1 piece carrot cut and fried, 2 tablespoons peanut butter. So we just mix everything in the pan, and after that we're going to put it in our instant pot. We don't need to saute or anything. Everything is prepared. I'm going to put the pan in the instant pot. To start cooking, just push the meats to button, and then we'll wait for 35 minutes as it said there. Leave it, and then you can do some other chores. So when you're using it, there's a vent here. That's a vent. Vent close while cooking, and then vent on when it will beep when cooking is done. After 35 minutes, our beef stew is cooked. Using Instant Pot for cooking is so easy. It's like a pressure cooker and a slow cooker at the same time. Now we have a delicious dish that is cooked in Instant Pot. Okay, let's try it. It's so soft and it's delicious. Look at that. Hey guys, this recipe is my own recipe, so try it. Yan, inilipat ko na po siya sa ibang lalagyan dahil tayo ay magluluto ng rice. We can use same Instant Pot to cook rice. Nakita po natin meron dong rice function. So push that button, rice, and it's going to be cooked in 12 minutes. So you can see all the functions. There's soup, broth, meat stew, bean chili, poultry, rice, multigrain, porridge, pwede kang mag-steam, pwede kang mag-slow cook, pressure cooker, you can do yogurt, saute and pressure cook. So this is the price for this Instant Pot, $129.98. And you can also buy another inner pot. And yes guys, this is not sponsored, so Instant Pot, beke naman. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.